Welcome to Speedigo. In the hospitality industry, providing exceptional service is essential. That's why we offer a range of electric vehicles specifically designed for resorts, enhancing guest experiences and operational efficiency. Let's start with our 6-seater golf carts. Perfect for transporting guests around the resort, these carts provide a comfortable and convenient way to explore everything your resort has to offer, from the lobby to the spa. When it comes to handling luggage, our cargo trucks are invaluable. Designed to carry guests' bags effortlessly, they ensure a smooth check-in process and enhance the overall guest experience. For food and beverage services, our 4-seater utility golf carts with cargo boxes are the perfect solution. They allow for quick and efficient delivery of meals and drinks to various locations, keeping your guests satisfied and refreshed. And for those special moments, our vintage buggies add a touch of charm and nostalgia. Perfect for destination weddings, they create unforgettable memories for your guests. At Speedigo, our vehicles not only improve operational efficiency but also enhance the overall guest experience, promoting sustainability and comfort.